Welcome. In front of me is DELL Precision 5520, and in this video I will show you how to use split screen feature on this laptop. So if you want to, for example, place 3 applications on your screen at the same time and align them all together, you'll have to pick just one application, then drag it to the top of your screen, and then decide on the position of this application on your screen. For example, if I want the Microsoft Store to be in the left on the left side of the screen, and then put my browser and my file explorer on the right side, then I'll have to pick this one option right here. This will place the Microsoft Store, the browser on the left side. Then, for example, I'll put the Microsoft Store in the top right corner, and in the bottom right corner we'll have the file explorer. We can also reshape and resize each window, but as you can see, the Microsoft Store has limited reframing abilities, so we can't, for example, make it smaller than this. But usually windows are very plastic, so you can reshape them the way you want. And to escape the split screen mode, you can just replace the windows the way you'd want them to be. And that's basically it for the video. That's how you use the split screen feature. If you like this video, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like, and I'll see you in the next one.